Dining in is no longer an option. Governor Gavin Newsom made that announcement on the closure of indoor operations ahead of the holiday weekend.
So local restaurants had to switch their gears quickly. Eyewitness News reporter Elizabeth Christian spoke with a few restaurant managers who face uncertainty once again.
The insides of restaurants are empty following the announcement from the governor today.
We're doing everything we can to make sure that our community stays healthy.
That includes making more adjustments.
We immediately shut down our indoor pub area and decided that we're going to solely do our service out on the patio.
It's another step back due to COVID-19 spreading at alarming rates, according to the governor.
Those of us that survive on the income that is required through the business, it's equally hard for both the business and the employees.
It's a mutual feeling wherever you go in the service industry.
It's terrible for those who don't have an outdoor area to open up.
Vanessa Ramirez, the manager at the All West Cafe, has plans to continue to follow Governor Newsom's requirements, but still has questions.
What do we do if a person doesn't want to wear a mask?
Ramirez says the cafe is still waiting on government aid, but they will remain opened.
And that's the thing that we're going to do again, whatever we need to do to stay open.
The governor also adding that the coronavirus does not take a day off for the 4th of July. He advises that you only celebrate with the people that you live with. Reporting in Bakersfield, Elizabeth Christian, Eyewitness News.
As confirmed cases of COVID-19 rise in California, Governor Gavin Newsom on Wednesday ordered the shutdown of indoor restaurants, bars, museums, zoos and other business activity in multiple counties ahead of the 4th of July weekend. San Francisco is not among the 19 counties targeted by Newsom's order, but the city has already moved to halt its own reopening plans amid a rise in cases. Newsom said an increase in the statewide positivity rate of confirmed cases is particularly concerning, prompting him to order the closure of indoor business activities, where the respiratory illness is more likely to spread. The order closes for at least 3 weeks indoor restaurants, wineries and tasting rooms, movie theaters, family entertainment centers, zoos, museums and card rooms in such counties as Santa Clara, Sacramento and Los Angeles. Cases have steadily increased in California. On June 17, there were 3,439 confirmed cases of COVID-19. On Tuesday, there were 5,898 newly diagnosed cases and 110 deaths. Newsom said that the state's positivity rate has increased within the past 14 days from 4.6% to 6%. The upcoming 4th of July weekend has raised a lot of concern from our health officials, Newsom said. While he is not ordering beaches closed, Newsom said that the parking lots of the beaches would be closed in much of the state, including the Bay Area. He also advised jurisdictions to cancel fireworks shows. San Francisco announced Tuesday it had canceled its traditional waterfront firework event that draws hundreds of thousands of visitors. Last Friday, Breed halted the reopening plans of more businesses as San Francisco, like the state, was experiencing a similar rise in COVID-19 cases. The plan was to allow on June 29 the reopening of hair salons, barbershops, nail salons, tattoo salons, massage establishments, museums, zoos, outdoor bars and outdoor swimming. Now it remains unclear when these establishments could reopen, although the city had also previously said they would allow indoor dining on July 13. San Francisco's health officers Tomas Aragon said Tuesday that they will continue to monitor the data and won't make a decision on whether to allow reopening to progress until at least next week. Newsom called on Californians to not take your guard down, reminding them to wear masks and remain physically distanced. He also advised everyone to reconsider gathering with friends or neighbors during the holiday. While the state has also experienced an increase in hospitalizations, Newsom said they have adequate capacity. None of this should surprise any of us, Newsom said. As we reopen our economy, as more people mix, we are going to see an increase in spread. This was anticipated. He said the state's earlier success in bending the curve of cases allowed them to build up an infrastructure to handle surges. We were able to bend the curve in the state of California, Newsom said. We are going to bend this curve again.